Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I just had a workout and I am having a vegan curry with shiitake mushrooms, sweet potato, cilantro, and cauliflower. And it is really good. What it looks like. Every bite. Oh my god. If you are out and about and you have to stop and get something to eat on the way home, always make sure that wherever you're stopping has vegetarian options. Also, I have a kale salad. This has sweet potatoes in it. Oh my goodness, it's so good. It's sweet and savory. We're in Phoenix right now, and this is called Culinary Dropout. But I just wanted to share that vegan curry is always a good way to go when you're out and about. It's full of vegetables, coconut milk, and it's very hearty and filling. And a nice kale salad to top it off. Done. Thank you. Always make good choices when you guys are out and about eating. I'll put the link below where we're at. But good lunch. Good source of protein. I just wanted to drop in and say that. Have a good day.